Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering down and unplugging the machine and remove the battery if the model allows. This prevents shorts and accidental keystrokes. Once done, use compressed air to blow loose dust from vents and keyboard gaps so wiping won't smear particles. Dampen a microfiber cloth lightly with 70% isopropyl alcohol, not dripping, because it evaporates fast and disinfects without harming coatings. Begin with exterior surfaces, lid, palm rest, and trackpad, using gentle, consistent strokes to lift oils and grime. Once surface dust is cleared, focus on the keyboard and ports where grime hides. You should tilt the laptop slightly and use compressed air in short bursts to dislodge crumbs rather than pushing them deeper. Then, make careful passes with a slightly damp cotton swab around key edges and between keys to dissolve oils. This avoids saturating electronics. For ports, use a dry, soft brush or toothpick, gently. Never apply liquid inside, so connectors remain clean and contact reliable. Make sure to let any damp areas air dry completely. You finish by wiping the display with a clean microfiber cloth. If needed, use a screen-safe cleaner applied to the cloth so coatings aren't damaged. Once all parts are dry, reinsert the battery, reconnect power, and test keys and ports. This confirms nothing shifted during cleaning. If you encounter sticky keys or unresponsive behavior, power cycle first and retry. If problems persist or you detect corrosion from liquid exposure, stop and seek professional repair to prevent further damage. Keep a regular, gentle routine to maintain cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.